So hello guys, in this next video, we will again understand the usage of DB and why does even DB exist. In my previous video, I have already explained very basic about the data entity dbms. So now the question again is why these all stuff even exist. So let us assume why we need database, why and how it even works. So So we all use or know about the social media or Instagram, for example. So we have an Instagram and we have our hero, Mr. X. Mr. X is very like very much interesting about to share daily updates on Instagram and maintain his streak of daily posting their profile or something stories. So what Mr. X do? They enter the username and password and get logged into their account and post the photos. Login and password and get the on the home page and upload the story. Mr. X have a very friend named Miss Y who can see the story of Mr. X and make it like. So the question arises how the things work. How Mr. X got access on its mobile, and what if internet goes off? Will Mr. X be again able to access this all information or do the same activity? So if internet is required, it means there is something behind the mobile as well. So we all know there is a place where this information getting stored, and that is our database. But the thing is, how this database is connected with my mobile from where the Mr. X is accessing. So there is some software, some services are running. These are called backend services. These are applications which are running on Java, Python, .NET, or any platform you know, like Spring Boot, etc. So what is this use of this software and backend services? They basically make the bridge of communication between database and the front end, the application which Mr. X is having. So this is called client side. This is called backend, and this is our database. So, so if Java, Python, and .NET are being used at this backend, then what is being used at database? So we know for database you need to use language SQL to communicate with any database, especially RDBMS. In next videos, we will read in detail what is this R stand for. So for now, I tell this is relational. In upcoming video, I'll explain why it is relational and what are the other databases. So behind we know there is backend, there is RDBMS, there is SQL which is communicating. So there is something at the Mr. X side as well. So there is a text box, there is an Instagram's icon, there is a password field where this guy enters. There is colorful front page, which is being created by some HTML, CSS, actions being powered by JavaScript, or this all framework comes within React.js or Angular or something else. So our concern is how does this all matters and what is the role of database? So when Mr. X login into their account, the service API this connect the client that collect the information from the Mr. X, their login and password, and go back to the database and check whether this user exists and this password is correct. If that authentication is passed, they are navigated to on their home page. So on home page, Mr. X see the posts posts that are available. On the profile side, they can see all the reels posts Mr. X has posted and which all peoples have given their feedback or likes on them. Or he can see if Miss Y has posted something, commented or not. So these are a lot of information. How these information are getting stored in DB and how a Java or some application knows which at which place at which table the particular information is being stored. So there must be more than one table. So that is getting to the point what is DB and why we need it. So DB, as we know, it is a place to store the data. But how? In organized and systematic manner. That is the answer. So basically, we organized in the systematic and organized manner and we store data into tables in multiple tables. So there must be a table with name user table or just user where there will be a column with user unique ID or we call it user ID, user name, user mail where our Mr. X will have some ID 123, name as Mr. X, email Mr. X @ email.com and our Miss Y will also be there with name Miss Y and Miss Y @ email.com. There must be one more table to store the chatting or the reels or what are being uploaded for a particular account. So there can be a table with chat. So there can be columns, user ID. So user ID 123, send chat ID x1, x2, x3. There can be a text, something text, and 2. For example, 456, 456, 456. It means Mr. X has sent 3 messages with these details to this person, and Miss Y sent only one message to Mr. 123. Now Mr. 123 will again write 456 and more text to it to Miss Y's reply. So that's going on. So there will be lots of chat history between Miss X and Miss Y. So these are a lot of information which are being stored into across the table. Some information is being stored at user table, some at chat table. So like this, there can be multiple tables in the databases. And to manage this all information, we need a software, and that is called dbms, database management database management system. This is database management system, a software that helps to manage and the talk with the database or backend. So for more details on it, we'll look into the next video. Thank you.